Okay, we're going to scan a document using Notes. Notes is a free app that's inside your phone. You don't have to download it from the App Store. It's built in. So it looks like a little tablet with a little yellow top. So tap on that, and then if you look at the bottom right, you'll see a little, what looks like a little paper with a pencil. That stands for new, and in this case it's a new note. If you're in text messaging, you'll see that it means a new text, or an email, it means a new email. So that little icon is in a lot of places on your phone. So choose the tool. I'll go through these. The first one is tables. You want little tables and fill it with text, kind of like a spreadsheet. The second one is for text. The third one is for a checklist with little check marks. You can add like a shopping list. The camera and the scanner is the one that looks like a little camera, and the one to the right is the symbol for markup. Markup lets you put a circle around things or draw things with your finger, which is, looks like a little, you use a pencil icon or a felt pen or whatever. The tools are all in that little thing there, so you can highlight things or make an arrow pointing to things. Anyway, back to camera and scanner. That's what we're choosing. So you tap on the little icon for the camera, and then you have a choice to choose the tool. You're choosing the Scan Documents tool. Okay? So now we choose how to capture. So this is a little tricky. So it automatically goes to auto, and then it looks at the document when you hold your phone up over your document so you can get it aligned correctly. Well, if you're not fast like me, then you're gonna have to change it to manual. You may actually make a mistake and it'll shoot a picture of it, several times. I've ended up with 2 or 3 just trying to get it positioned correctly. So what you want to do is just make sure you change it to manual. Then you have the ability to press the shutter button yourself and it'll scan that way. Anyway, it just goes back and forth from auto to manual, back to auto, back to manual. It's a little toggle. Anyway, manual seems to work better for me. Anyway, so then if you're doing one page, you're going to see a little different. You'll see keep scan if you're just doing one page. But if you're doing number of pages, then you'll see save 3 in this case, which means you'll see that it has 3 pages. And it'll save all 3 of those. So you can do one right after the other, like a big stack of papers, documents, or what have you. So remember, it's just keep scan if you see you're just done one, and so on, the number if you do the others. So then if you keep the scan or you change your mind and you want to retake it, you can retake it. Frankly, I just kind of shoot more and then just delete what I don't want. Then you have the good old share icon. This is another one that's all over the place in your phone, and it's a little square with an arrow up. And what that means is a variety of ways to share this item that you've just scanned. Send it to your bank, an attorney, a friend, anybody. Could be a recipe, and you think, well, I'm going to scan that and send it to a couple people, and you can do that, and you can share it with text. So how you do that, you tap on the share button and you'll see that you have different options. The first row are the people that you've shared things with most frequently. It's just a little shortcut. You don't have to learn anything, it doesn't matter. And that changes all the time based on who you've been communicating with via text or email or what have you. The next row is AirDrop, a whole other topic. Messages or mail. These are the 2 that are probably the most popular. The ones below that you can copy and then paste it somewhere. Copy the document that you've scanned here and paste it into something else. Markup, there's that markup icon again. That's got all the little tools, little pencils and highlighters and arrows and squares and circles and things. Print, if you want to print it, if you have a printer that is connected to your Well, you're going to have a Wi-Fi printer to print from your phone because you can't connect it. But this also works on a computer, so you end up seeing it if it's connected. So now, where is that document? To find the document, you can look in today, previous days, and etc. These are things I've done before, and you just tap on it to open it. Or you can go to the folders, which was going back. You'll see at the very top in green, the little arrow back that says folders. Then if you tap on that, it's going to look like this. And you'll see that it's in notes. You have iCloud and on my phone. So generally, I think it's better to keep things in the iCloud because they're safer and you don't need them on your phone. They'll just fill up your phone, not quickly, but the point being it's just as good to have them on the cloud. Anyway, you tap on the first one is everything you've ever scanned, and then the next one is ones that you just did recently, and then health I did myself. Some I imported and then recently deleted. So if you accidentally delete one, it's in recently deleted, and I think it stays there for about 30 days. Anyway, that's it. So if you want to review, just run back, rewind, start over, watch it again.